Military aviation is undergoing a remarkable transformation as nations push the boundaries of innovation to assert their dominance in the skies. This evolution is not merely a reaction to existing threats but a proactive endeavor that reshapes the landscape of air combat. With each subsequent aircraft and drone introduced, we witness the convergence of advanced technologies and strategic aspirations. The next phase of aerial warfare promises to bring profound implications for global security, international relations, and the nature of conflict itself. As we explore these pioneering aircraft, understanding their roles within the framework of national defense becomes essential for grasping the future trajectory of military engagement. The countdown of revolutionary military aircraft begins with the Su-75 checkmate, as it exemplifies Russia's strategic aspirations in the aviation landscape. This fighter not only emphasizes cost-effectiveness for smaller nations but signifies a shift towards modernization and competitiveness in the global defense arena. As nations are drawn to its versatility, the checkmate sets a precedent, indicating a future where access to advanced military technology does not remain exclusive to the wealthiest nations. As we examine the nuances of the Su-75, it becomes evident that its development is a response to both domestic needs and international market demands. The aircraft's design encompasses a blend of traditional fighter attributes with modern stealth capabilities, allowing it to engage effectively in diverse operational scenarios. Furthermore, its affordability aims to attract not only clients from emerging markets but also countries looking to enhance their defensive strategies. By leveraging its innovative technologies, Russia aims to foster strategic partnerships, ensuring that the Su-75 becomes a cornerstone of its future defense exports. As we shift our focus to the Turkish TFX, we note its significance in showcasing Turkey's ambition to carve out an independent path in military aviation. The TFX, also known as the Khan Fighter, symbolizes Turkey's commitment to developing a robust domestic defense industry while aspiring to be a key player in the global arms market. This next-generation fighter jet is designed with state-of-the-art capabilities that include stealth features, advanced sensors, and the potential for systems integration with unmanned technologies. With planned enhancements such as supercruise capability and agility in combat scenarios, the TFX aims to provide not only an upgrade to Turkey's Air Force but also a competitive platform that meets the needs of allied nations. As the program advances, Turkey's vision includes potential partnerships that could bolster regional security and reshape the geopolitical landscape, reflecting an evolving defense strategy. The combined emphasis on indigenous development and collaboration underscores Turkey's desire not just for self-sufficiency but also to establish itself as an innovator in military aviation. In this context, the TFX emerges as a pivotal element of both national pride and a strategic tool, aiming to redefine aerial capabilities' regional dynamics in the coming years. As our examination continues, we shift to the GJ-11 stealth drone from China, a groundbreaking addition that showcases the ambitious strides the nation is taking in unmanned aerial technology. This drone, characterized by its advanced stealth architecture, embodies China's commitment to revolutionizing aerial warfare and enhancing operational effectiveness without endangering pilot lives. With a focus on autonomous missions, the GJ-11 is designed to perform precision strikes and reconnaissance, thus integrating seamlessly into modern warfare strategies that prioritize efficiency and stealth. As nations increasingly employ drones for diverse combat roles, the GJ-11 stands at the forefront, illustrating a shift towards unmanned systems that could redefine operational paradigms in future conflict scenarios. The GJ-11's design reflects a cutting-edge approach that prioritizes not only stealth but also versatility in various mission profiles, allowing it to execute high-stakes operations in contested environments. With an emphasis on low observability, it can evade advanced detection systems while delivering precision strike capabilities or gathering invaluable intelligence. As the drone incorporates artificial intelligence for improved target recognition and autonomous decision-making, its potential to reshape military engagements becomes increasingly apparent. Moreover, this technology signals a pivotal moment in China's military strategy, aligning with broader national ambitions to assert technological dominance on the global stage. As we transition to discuss the US B-21 Raider, its development further highlights the strategic shifts occurring in military aviation. The B-21 Raider not only serves as the backbone of the U.S. Air Force's bold modernization plans, but it also reflects a shift in how air power is conceptualized for future conflicts. With its sophisticated stealth capabilities, the B-21 is designed to operate in highly contested environments, ensuring that it can penetrate enemy defenses where previous bombers might falter. This cutting-edge aircraft is poised to redefine how nations conduct strategic bombing operations, combining advanced materials and technologies to enhance its survivability and mission effectiveness. As the Raider moves into its operational testing phase, experts are closely monitoring its integration with next-generation systems, anticipating how it will work alongside existing and emerging unmanned platforms. The implications of the B-21's capabilities extend beyond mere technical specifications. It represents a profound evolution in aerial warfare, with the capacity to fundamentally alter air combat's very nature. The B-21 Raider signifies a crucial shift in aerial warfare and defense strategy, emphasizing the United States' commitment to maintaining air superiority in the face of evolving threats. With its stealth capabilities amplified by advanced technologies, this aircraft symbolizes a new chapter in the use of strategic bombers, emphasizing precision and adaptability. As military dynamics continue to evolve, understanding the implications of the B-21's design and operational potential will be vital for grasping the future of global military engagement and the strategies nations will employ to navigate complex conflict landscapes. Thus, as we witness these next-generation aircraft take to the skies, we can anticipate not just a technological revolution but a redefinition of global power balances, ensuring that the competition for air dominance remains fierce and unyielding in the years to come. The next aircraft on our list, the B-21 Raider, embodies the culmination of advanced technologies tailored for modern warfare, focusing on stealth, speed, and strategic flexibility. Crafted to meet the demands of future battle spaces, this aircraft not only enhances the U.S. Air Force's capabilities but also signifies a paradigm shift in aerial combat strategy, anticipating the complexities and challenges posed by modern adversaries. With each flight, It promises to deliver unmatched operational superiority and redefine how air power integrates with evolving military doctrines on a global scale. As we continue our exploration, it's important to note that the evolution of these aircraft not only transforms how air combat is conducted but also influences geopolitical landscapes. The increasing sophistication of military aviation technologies compels nations to reconsider their alliances and defense strategies, fostering a competitive environment where innovation is paramount. In this high-stakes realm, countries must adapt quickly to maintain relevance and effectiveness, as a failure to do so could compromise their security and strategic interests. The race to develop and deploy next-gen military capabilities underscores the delicate balance of power that defines contemporary global relations. As we delve deeper into these innovations, we can appreciate the intricate interplay between technological advancement and the strategic intentions that drive nations to excel in aerial warfare. As we examine the implications of the B-21 Raider, its integration into the U.S. military strategy reveals the importance of maintaining air superiority against evolving threats. The aircraft's cutting-edge technologies are designed not just for current warfare but also for unpredictable future conflicts, highlighting an understanding that dominance in the skies is essential for effective deterrence and national security. This forward-thinking approach is vital for shaping the future landscape of military aviation. As we reflect on the advances showcased by the Su-75, TF-X, GJ-11, and B-21 Raider, it is evident that military aviation is at a transformative juncture. The innovations and strategic aspirations tied to these aircraft herald a new era, where nations are not just adapting to threats but actively redefining the fundamentals of air combat and geopolitics.